So hello friends, today we are seeing to how to extract our keyword rankings in bulk. Many times we have to see our Google ranking, our website, which keywords rank our website. If you see, my website is shiksha.com and I want to find these keywords, this keyword list ranking. I do this thing manually, but it takes so time and it is get some manual work in hand. So I automated this work. So first of all, I will show you how you can do this. First of all, you need to install Python, and after Python, you have to install this package called Selenium. So I press hit enter, shift enter, and after that, I import some Selenium packages and their classes. So I hit shift enter. After that, I use this all to run. So what things are in backend was backend. I will show you. A Selenium browser opens this website Pro SEO Toolkit for Google SERP, which is find the search engine ranking for our website. So in this, here are inserted here. Click to enter the website. So it will put here our website which we provided. Like I provided shiksha.com, and after that it's asking for a keyword. We put here a keyword. Let me check. Okay, IIM Pune, this is my keyword, and I want to find the ranking of my website. So you can see there is a second rank in shiksha.com. Shiksha.com ranks second on this keyword. First, after that it loads this our keywords like JNU admission 24, LPO quota. So if we check here, it takes JNU admission and it shows us that it is ranking on 4th. You can see here, you can show that. So it done automatically. So we do not have to work to do these things manually. So just wait for a few minutes to extract all these rankings. Like LPO cutoff is ranking on 3rd. So you can see these keywords had been get, and this code has been run successfully. After that we got this keyword and rankings, and if we put on a data frame, we can see IIMS Pune is ranked on 2nd, JNU admission is ranking as a 4, and like this, like IIM Shillong cutoff is ranking on open. So if you want to convert as CSV file and save in our local disk, so it also do this for us. So if I go to my downloads page, and here you can see the CSV file. If I double click and open CSV file, it takes some time. Long CSV file. I thought I forgot to click here. Okay, I think it will work now. Okay, here we can see there is a created a CSV file for us. So you can see here it will extracted our keywords and rankings. If I replace all hash values with none, and here we got keywords, sorry, rankings and keywords. So if you want to customize for yourself, you just replace few things, like if you wanna exchange this list with your keywords, and after another is here you can put your own website. So this for today's guy. Hope you see you on next video. Thank you.